Alright, so recently I've been taking care of my friend's dog, and he had given me this dog doggy bag dispenser. It's for these bags right here, and I broke it. There's like this hook right here, it goes to a carabiner, and I let him loose in the park with a leash, and it dragged on the leash, and it came off. So I decided to buy him a new one, which I've been using for a few days now, and I think it's really cool. It's by Earth Rated, and it's a Canadian company. This bag, doggy bag dispenser holder, it comes with 15 bags, and it costs $4. It's on sale on Amazon right now. Originally it was $5.99, but I think it's really good because it hooks onto any kind of leash or belt with this little Velcro strap. See right here? You can take it off and on, and it was pretty good. So I don't think it's gonna break. It's pretty sturdy, and it doesn't have, like, for this one it has like a very thin plastic. But here, not sure if you see it, but it's connected to the little circle thing, canister or tube thing. So, and also a little minor detail, this thing is really cool. You can put on your doggy bag, and when you pick up the poop and tie it up, you can hang it here. And so when you're walking the dog, you can have your poop bag here and here, so you don't have to be carrying around the nasty poop bag, and you can just hang it on here with the leash. So it's pretty easy. It turns, like, unscrews for refill if you want to refill it. When we bought this one, it came already with a 15 bag roll, but when you run out, you can just easily refill it. Pretty cool. Oops. Back. Okay, like that. And this is a Earth Rated bag. The company is called Eco Group, which is here. And these are the features. So you put your hand into the bag here, pick up the poop, and you can leash it up here. Like, tie up the bag here, and have a nice, easy experience with dog walking. You know, you have enough problems like keeping your dog chasing squirrels and cats and other dogs. So this is a good way to forget about all that poop and all that troubling, all those problems. So yeah, this is Earth Rated. It's the Earth Rated dispenser with doggy waste bags. You can check it out on Amazon. Right now it's on sale for $4. I think it's really cool, really good product compared to what I had before. Only because the leash, the thing that connects to the leash, it broke off. It's not, kind of flimsy. But this one I think will hold up to a lot of abuse, especially when dogs are like pulling you and trying to do animal stuff. So pretty easy. Take it out, and you got yourself a bag. Don't need those garbage bags. These, by the way, are 100% decomposable, and and it's good for the earth, this is why it's rated good, earth rated. So something less, something to worry about less of. So it's very nice. Let's see if we could just take one up easily and pop it off. And you got that bag. Earth rated. Good brand, good bag, good company. Check it out.